Good morning, class 6. Welcome back to BBBN online classes. I hope everybody is healthy, everybody is in sound health. So we were discussing the chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. This is the last topic of the chapter, circle. Let us understand all the components of a circle. So you have a center of the circle and this is the circle. This entire part, it is called the circumference of the circle. Now, say I mark points A, B, C and D on the circumference of the circle. Center, say center is O. I join A with O. I join all these points with the center of the circle. Okay. If we measure their length of all these line segments, if I measure them, they all will be equal. So what does it represent? This represents the radius of the circle. Okay. So all the line segments OA, OB, OC, OD, these are individually they are called radius, and collectively if I have to use plural I can use radii. So all these are radii and they are equal in length. Their length will be equal. So from the center of the circle, if you connect any point on the circumference, that will be the radius and it will always be of same measure, constant measure. So all these line segments are equal in length. They are called radii. If it is singular, it is called radius. Okay. Now OB is the radii. If I extend the same radii up to point E, so this is one radius, this is another radius, radius R plus R, 2R. So this becomes the diameter of the circle. Diameter is twice the radius. Okay. It is a line segment. It is also a line segment. So I can say BE. Line segment BE is the diameter of this circle. Right. It passes through the center. Its length is twice the radius of the circle, right? Okay, next, circumference, you understood the entire part, this entire circle, this is called the circumference. You have the center here. We have discussed radius, we have discussed diameter. Now, suppose I consider only this part from A to E. This part of the circumference, a small part of the circumference, this is called the arc. This is called an arc. So EA or AE, an arc is represented like this, a curve, a simple curve. Okay. So arc, just arc means a part of the circle. For example, you must have seen, जैसे कोई सर्कुलर पार्ट आपने देखा होगा, अगर वो ब्रेक हो जाता है कहीं पर, कोई रिंग अगर कहीं ब्रेक हो गई है तो उसका एक पार्ट होता है ना, दैट इज आर्क. इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सिंपल कर्व. ओके. सो दिस इज हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट एन आर्क. नाउ point A and point E, they are on the circumference of the circle. If I join these 2 points A and E, this line segment joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. So this is called a chord. Line segment AE. This is line segment AE. This is arc, so it is chord AE. So line segment AE is the chord of the circle. क्या बोलेंगे? Chord of the circle, right? So what have we discussed? Center of the circle. Center is the point from which every point on the circumference of the circle is at equal distance. and that distance is called radius of the circle. Twice the radius of the circle is called diameter of the circle. The entire circular part, the boundary, that is called circumference. A line segment which connects any 2 points on the circumference of the circle is called chord. AE is a chord, right? Then arc is part, a fraction of the circle is called an arc, right? One more point. So this is a circle, center of the circle. This is a chord, another chord. This is, since it is passing through the center, you say it is the diameter, right? Diameter is also a chord of the circle. Diameter is also a chord, but it is the longest chord of the circle. किसी circle में जितने भी chords होते हैं, diameter सबसे बड़ा chord होता है. Okay? So the diameter of a circle is the longest chord. It is also a chord, but the longest chord. So अगर कोई आपसे पूछे, what do you call the longest chord of a circle? Simple answer is diameter, right? And in a circle, if you have a circle, center, you can have infinite diameters. आप जितने चाहें उतने diameters बना सकते हैं. Uncountable, infinite, uncountable diameters can be made. So if there are uncountable diameters, there are uncountable radii too. ठीक है? जितने चाहें उतने रेडियस, uncountable radii बना सकते हैं, uncountable diameters बना सकते हैं. ठीक इसी तरह हम अनकाउंटेबल कॉर्ड्स भी बना सकते हैं सर्कल के अंदर. किसी सर्कल में इनफाइनाइट कॉर्ड्स हो सकती हैं, कहीं पर भी बनाएं आप, राइट? सो ए सर्कल कैन हैव इनफाइनाइट रेडियई, अनकाउंटेबल रेडियई. इट कैन हैव अनकाउंटेबल डायमीटर्स, इट कैन हैव अनकाउंटेबल कॉर्ड्स. इन द सेम वे यू कैन हैव अनकाउंटेबल आर्क्स. Take this part, it is an arc. This part is an arc. Again this is an arc. है ना? आप जितने चाहें उतने पार्ट्स ले सकते हैं इस सर्कल के सर्कमफेरेंस के. So you can have uncountable arcs, right? So this was about the circle. Okay, children. So if you are having a geometry box, there must be an instrument in the geometry box which we call as compass. Using a pencil and compass, and you can fix some radius in it and you can make the circle. You can practice making circles of different radii, of different radius, right? So this was about circle. These are the different components that we have in a circle which we have studied. Center of the circle, okay, radius. Radius means the distance between center of the circle and any point on the circumference, that is called radius. Twice the radius is diameter of the circle. The entire boundary is called the circumference. Any 2 points on the circumference, if I join them, that line segment becomes chord of the circle. A part, fraction of the circumference is called an arc. This is how we represent arc, just by a curved line. Arc की end points भी वही होती हैं जो chord की end points होती हैं. If AE is a chord, I write line segment AE as a chord. But if I have to represent this arc, I have to give one slight curve. Instead of line segment, the symbol of line segment, we use a slight simple curve to represent an arc. This was about circle. Hope you understood better. This was end of chapter number 4, basic geometrical ideas. In the next class, we move on to another interesting chapter. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.